Alright guys, so in today's video we are finally unboxing a fresh set of wheels for my 2017 Honda Civic Si. Now because I've already worked with this company for the BMW, I'm once again going with VMR wheels. So I'll throw his email in the description below, but Brandon from VMR and I have been trading emails for a couple weeks now, trying to decide on what set would be best for the car. So I didn't want to go with anything that was too sporty or too stancy or too fancy or whatnot. I wanted something that was a kind of a happy median for this car, just to give it a nice, unique look. So rather than go into all the details and then explain all the offsets and everything like that, I'm just gonna go straight to the unboxing. You're just in time. Nice haircut.
Design. Putting his engineering degree to use right here. We have thermodynamics, manufacturing process for engineering materials, and elementary linear algebra. And then up here, in case you guys weren't upset about him using textbooks, you can get upset about him using 3 Series BMW manuals under his Civic. That shows you how Pawin now feels about BMWs. Just kidding. Don't get actually mad at him. All right, fingers crossed this goes well. We'll see.
It's gonna go really slow. If it starts sliding, it's still stop.
It's rolling, but I think it'll be okay.
It's gonna semi. It's off.
Okay, put the jack back under just a little bit. Right there, perfect.
Oh man, this is gonna be really cool.
How many stances are you gonna have?
I just told Eli that any potential loading springs are gonna be cheaper on my car than his Audi. He's not too happy.
I mean, it makes sense because it's an Audi, but they're cheaper than GTI springs. It was a newer car.
Alright, we got the wheels test mounted on the car right here, and as you can see, 19 by 8.5 fits pretty nicely in this wheel well, in my opinion. So these are VMR 721s. They are 19 by 8.5 like I just said, and they have a 35mm offset on all 4 wheels. And on the rear fitment, you can see right there, they're also tucking pretty nicely. So I'm really happy with the fitment so far. So now I gotta pretty much decide on the tire. Eli, what tire size were you saying was gonna be good?
A 225/40 will give them a little bit more sidewall than a 235/35, but a 235 is gonna be a little bit wider, so it may look a little bit meatier. Oh, this is from our vinyl, yeah. I think the main concern is hitting all this plastic up in here, because this isn't something you can roll back. It's something you would have to cut out. All in here, all along here is plastic.
It's actually, yeah, it's pretty meaty too.
Yeah, there's a solid piece of plastic up in here. So a 225/40 is going to give them a little bit more sidewall, but it may push the tire in a little bit more. A 235 is going to have less sidewall, which may not hit as much, but is going to be wider, so it might hit. It's an aggressive wheel fitment, a 35 offset and an 8.5.
But it's not, people have run it before, which is why I chose this offset, so it's really nice to see that it does in fact, looks like it's gonna fit.
I mean, it sits pretty flush here, so as long as you get a tire that rolls over a little bit, it should be able to, as the wheel comes up, tuck in, and the car's gonna naturally camber itself in as well. This is my worry right here.
Yeah.
The rear will be fine. The rear's a little less aggressive. And there's no plastic here. It's just fender liner. I'm sorry, I'm getting dust all over.
No, it's okay.
But there's no plastic here, it's just fender. Which would suck if you had to roll it, because there's nothing to roll. but there's no big chunk of plastic. I think the front is going to be your place of rubbing. If you do rub somewhere, you're going to trip.
And to further verify fitment, you can see that there is no problems between the strut tower clearances as well. There's nothing also that I've seen below there that it will pretty much rub into. So I think this is a really good fitment choice. So if you guys like the contents of this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also check out Ignition Tube's channel, because you'll see what the hell this filter is going to be, or what the hell we're doing with this filter rather, and what we're going to be doing next weekend to his S4. So
yeah,
it's going to be rather exciting, right?
Definitely.
So we'll catch you guys in the next video, where hopefully we'll be putting tires onto these wheels, mounting them, doing a final test fit, and finalizing it with a new set of lug nuts, because right now I have ball seat lugs, so I'm going to get ones that are conical to match the wheels. It's going to be a good time.
We're going to join Stance Nation.
Exactly. Bye.